Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to Along Trends TV. It's your boy Along here and I'm back with another video. Today we are talking business. Yes, how to make money. In this video I will share with you some legit, well tried and tested means through which I make some additional bags, money to my monthly salary. You know, we're living in Accra with high standard of living, and to keep up with life I had to find some other means through which I can make some additional cedis to keep living and get ahead in life. So I'll be sharing with you 5 solid ways through which I try to make some additional money at the end of the month to keep me going. But before I proceed, I would like to let you know that these are not a get rich quick links that I'll be sharing with you. It depends solely on your hard work and determination to make it in life. So this is not a get rich quick link. So I'll be starting from the less paid to the highest, using me as a yardstick. Yes, so first on my list is buying and selling of phones. Yes, so I've tried that business for some time and I see that it's good. It has fetched me some cool cash some time ago. Yeah, so what I do is I check prices of phones, these new types of phone that comes, normally Infinix, Techno and those China phones. Yes, I check the ones that have good prices. I buy them, add my profit margin and resell it to friends, family, and I also sell them online. So I list them on online markets like Tonaton and other shops. People call and I go deliver, take my money. I've tried that for some months and it has worked. It helped me a lot. So that is the first way of making some cool cash in addition to your monthly salary. It really pays. So you can try that. Second on my list is online promotions and adverts. This I've tried on my blog. Yes, so as you may know, I am a blogger. I've been blogging since 2016 when I launched my own website www.elomonline.com. It's not online right now. I took it off for some upgrade works and I'll be bringing it back soon, better, bigger and with more stuff. So you look out for that. On that blog, I've been getting offers from artists, mostly who are up and coming artists who like their works to be pushed on my blog and other social media platforms. So I charge them and write articles or their music for them. Yes, I don't charge them much because these are up and coming artists who don't have much money on them. So the least I take is 100 Ghana cedis, which most of them don't have. So we do it sometimes for free. Moreover, these offers do not come most often. That is also one way through which I make money. People who are big bloggers like my boss, Amir Deborah and co, they get more money through that because they are bigger blogs. They've been in existence over 10 years, so they get more money through that. But as a starter, I take just 100 cedis for a post. Okay, so that is my second less paid side hustle through which I get some additional money to keep me going. Third on my list is affiliate marketing. Yes, which I do on Jumia Ghana and Banggood website. So these are 2 websites which I've signed up for as an affiliate. I sell and get commission. Yes, so on Jumia, which is in Ghana and other African countries, you can sign up there. You don't have to carry no product around and be roaming in town. You just have to sell them through your links and get paid at the end of the month. Good commission with other bonuses. On Banggood.com, I also like that website so much because they have nice products which are not so expensive. So I could buy and sell, or sometimes share the links directly to my friends. They buy through my link and I get commission. That is affiliate marketing. It is very good and it helps in times of need. If you are a hard worker who is good at marketing, you can make a lot of money through affiliate marketing. I'll be making a video on how to make more money through affiliate marketing on Jumia. So you watch out for that video. I'll be giving details on how to sign up. I'll even show you how much sales I've made on Jumia. It's very helpful, Charlie. So that is one of the ways through which I also make some few bags in addition to my salary, guys. You can try it. It will help you in times of need. Yes. Next is online investment and training. This is not for everybody because it's a risk-taking venture. Very, very risky, guys. It's not for everybody, but I've tried it so many times and I'm still doing it. It pays well, but it hurts so bad. Yes, this is a venture through which you can lose thousands of cedis in a moment, and when you are good, you can also triple your money or add some few zeros to it in minutes. Yes, so online trading and investment. I have tried trading on this expert option and other platforms, but as I said earlier, it's not for everybody. So if you're not good at it, don't try it. Other online investment ventures are kind of secret and I wouldn't like to say much about them now, but this only trade expert option, those trading apps are also good. If you are good at forex, you can trade and make more money through online trading and investment. I've made some few dollars through that to help me in times of need. The biggest and the best that I will recommend for everyone is this one, and the last one on the list is YouTube and Google Adsense. Yes, this is a cool venture. No hassle. If I say no hassle, doesn't mean you won't put in work. You don't have to be battling with payment complications at the end of the month. It is very good, legit peace of mind. If you are a hard worker, you can make good money and change your life through YouTube and Google Adsense. Yeah, so as a blogger, I run Google Ads on my blog, which also gets some few dollars in addition to my YouTube channels. I have other YouTube channels and some other channels that I manage for friends and colleagues, which also bring in some few cash. So YouTube and Google AdSense. Yes, making videos on YouTube pays very well. Depending on the content you are providing, the niche you are covering, where your viewers are coming from, your location, all determines how much you make on YouTube. You can see videos with much views or a lot of views, but don't make much. And you can see videos which have lesser views, but fetches you a lot of money. Yes, so on YouTube you can make money. So this is also one way through which I make some few dollars. I've tried it for so many years. It's been good, it's been well paying, but very stressful. It is not easy to blow on YouTube. That I can tell you, or I can assure you of that. It needs hard work, patience, and determination. So to make it on YouTube, you need hard work, patience, determination. And you always have to create original content. Yes, so if you are good at singing, if it is workouts, if it is music, if it is reaction videos, dancing that you will do, you have to do and do it well. Put it on YouTube, people will watch it and you get paid. Yes, so I will be doing a video on how to get started on YouTube, how to set up a YouTube channel, how to monetize, and how to make money. So if you guys would like to know more about that, or you want me to make a video of it, let me know in the comment section and I will be making a video showing you the step-by-step ways through which you can start a YouTube channel and make some cool cash in addition to your day-to-day or 9-to-5 business. Yeah, so guys, today that is what I have to share with you. Cool ways to make some cool cash in addition to your daily works. It pays, and I hope you will try some of these. It will help you so much because you can't depend on your salary for life. So guys, as you are growing, you have to be finding other ways and means to make some cool cash in addition to your salary, just to get ahead in life. Yeah, so this is where we'll be ending today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you need more of these videos, how to help you make it on YouTube too, I can help you do that. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Elon Trends TV. I've been getting offers from artists, mostly who are up and coming artists, for their works to be pushed on my blog and other social media platforms. You know, these are up and coming artists who don't have much money. So I don't charge them match